Psalm, chapter 8, verses 2 to 10. Divine majesty and human dignity. O Lord, our Lord, how awesome is your name, through all the earth. You have set your majesty above the heavens. Out of the mouths of babes and infants, you have drawn a defense against your foes, to silence enemy and avenger. When I see your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and stars, that you set in place. What are humans, that you are mindful of them, mere mortals, that you care for them? Yet, you have made them, little less than a god, crowned them, with glory and honor. You have given them, rule over the works of your hands, put all things at their feet. All sheep and oxen, even the beasts of the field, the birds of the air, the fish of the sea, and whatever swims the path of the seas. O Lord, our Lord, how awesome is your name, through all the earth.